Okay, I just had like 10 friends be all surprised that I play in the stock market. So, and they've never played in the stock market before, so they're like, oh, no, no, talk to me like I'm five. I want it super simplified. So I'm just making one video because I keep explaining it to everybody. I'll just make one video and I'm going to send it to my friends. And this is it. So, and I can explain it like they're five because I was like I was five 3 weeks ago when I started this. So I'll put in the comment section, I'll put a link to how to get to Wealthsimple. That's the app I use to buy stocks. And like me, I didn't know where people even bought stocks. I'm like, everyone's talking about, oh, gotta get stocks right now in the pandemic. And I'm like, well, where do you buy stocks? Like, do you go to Walmart? Like, where do you get stocks? Also, this Simple Wealth, Wealthsimple, I mean, I am dyslexic. This is only Canadian. So if you're American, you have to go to something called Robinhood, I guess. Anyway, so I do it on my phone, but I'm explaining on the computer because I'm using my phone to record this. So anyway, look on the link down below. You'll see Wealthsimple, and if you use my link, you'll get 25 bucks. I'll get 25 bucks to play with. Yay! So anyway, you go on and you can either do the gold invest, it's called, and a robot investing on autopilot. A robot invests for you. So they call it robo investing. And I've got a bit of money in that and it's doing really well. And so I just got some money, put some money in that and let those guys do that. So that's boring. And then you can also go to trade. That's the one you want. So when you go to trade, that's the fun one where you get to pick what stocks you want. So when you go on the app, download it, hit trade. Oh, look it. You can always go on the computer and read all this too about it. And that's what it looks like when you buy a bunch of stuff. But anyway, don't worry about that. It's not for 5-year-olds to know. Don't worry about that. And when you buy something online, you just pick what you want. And it looks something like that. Oh, that person just bought something. But anyway, I suggest buying Canadian bank stocks because you get a high dividend and the stocks are slowly going to go up. And then you're also getting dividends while it slowly goes up. Now, also, the next question it'll ask you is, do you want it in your personal account, your TFSA, or your RSP? Pick TFSA because that just means tax-free savings account. And so all the dividends that you make and the money you make when you finally sell your stock in 2 days or 10 years, I'm hoping to keep mine for 10 years, then you don't have to pay any tax on it. It's amazing. So yeah, there's trade, cash, invest. Go to invest. Okay, that's pretty much it. I started doing this because me and my ex broke up after 20 years, and he was the money person. And so Mama needs to have some money. Like, I'm a massage therapist and I can't be massaging for the rest of my life when I'm like 70 or whatever. So anyway, like here's one that I bought, a bank in Nova Scotia. So yeah, I need to look after my own money. So I learned how to do all this. And actually what I did was I got a book from the library the author is Larry Bates, and the book is called Beat the Bank. I read that first actually before I did anything. But anyway, you can just go on the app and look and see what kind of cool things there are. Like my favorite is the Canadian bank. So like Bank of Nova Scotia. I bought some stocks and see it went up. And went up all time 0.91. But, oh, and the ratio, this is not really 5-year-old stuff, but this ratio, this PE ratio is low. That number is low. It's like 12.51. So that's good. But don't worry about that. All you need to do is look at the yield and see that the yield is wherever the yield is. Maybe it doesn't show on here. But I think the yield is for Bank of Nova Scotia is like 5%. And that means your dividends, you're going to get 5% of whatever you have invested. So, I mean, that's why people say I live off my dividends. Oh, this is how you buy something. So you go over here and so this all can do on your phone. Oh, that's in my personal, whatever. I'm not going to buy anything in my personal, but you just go, I want 1 share. And it goes like that. And then you hit buy. But I don't want to buy that in my personal. I can't even afford it anyway. That's how much money I have in my personal. I want to buy stuff in my TFSA because I don't want to have to pay tax. That's about it. That's all you need to know. Like, it's super fun. Check it out. If you need to learn stuff, read that book first. It's a tiny book, actually. Go to my app, sign up, get $25. They don't charge you anything. There's no sign up fee. You have $25. We'll both have $25 extra to play on. Ask me questions if you want. But it's here's my portfolio. Oh. I got all my money in here basically. Oh, and you can have like a watch list. That's my watch list of stuff I want to buy for fun. Oh, I did buy a Tesla. And look at that. I made like $39 just in the past day. Oh, I made $76 in the past week. I know this isn't like a hardcore normal stock market video like you normally see that people do. This is just like, I'm a divorcee, I'm 52 years old, I just learned how to do this, and it's really easy and fun. So just go on to the stock market on this app and learn how to do it. They have things on there for when you're searching around, like it'll say top 100 things, like top 100 most active. This is the most active stocks you might want to buy, or the winners, or there's the losers. There's all sorts of sections. You can just play around and look at it. But those are the main points to get you started. You don't go to Walmart for stocks. You don't talk to someone on the street for stocks. So I did not know that before. I was always wondering where people are like, oh, I get this stock, I got that stock. I'm like, where do you buy these stocks? Like, I was getting so mad. Anyway, so I just learned how to do this, and that's kid language for you. Pretty easy. Funding is easy. Of course, they make it easy. Add funds. Oh, look, there's my bank information. So, like, if I want something from my bank, I just auto amount to deposit. I'll just put it in and just like continue. Like, say I want $10. Continue. See what it does. Yes, I want from Island Savings. And then I hit confirm. That's it. But anyway, I'm addicted. It's so much fun. Hope I'm not forgetting anything. But just go ahead and see. I also have I have the Robo-Advisor one. Oh, okay. I'm up $3. Whatever. I don't really like the Robo-Advisor one. It's not as fun because you can't pick. You just let them do it all for you. But I like to diversify, so I put some in there too. Anyway, Oh, and then I watch like lots of other smart YouTubers that have been doing it for a long time. And they go on about what stocks that are awesome and tell you what to buy. And I'm like, okay, I'll buy a little bit of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. And I'm making lots of money. Because I need to retire one day because it's just me. And I am self-employed as a massage therapist. And I don't have a pension plan. So I plan on buying tons of stocks and then just living off the dividends. So anyway, if you have any questions, just ask me. I might know something. I might know the answer, but you get the drift how you start buying stocks and just getting the app on Google Play, and just follow my link below and it'll start you. And you can, I mean, if you only wanted to put $10 in, I don't think there's a lower limit. If you're only working paycheck to paycheck and you can only put in $10 a month, put in $10 a month. Your money will be working for you, because if you just leave it in your bank account, I think it gets 0.001%. So may as well get something. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later.